Hello everyone, my name is Lucas, and welcome back to the 400 series. Today, we will be talking about why Toronto should build more roundabouts. Sit back and enjoy, and we shall get right into it. So why should we build more roundabouts in Toronto? Well, they increase pedestrian safety and walkability, would increase traffic flow, and allow for greener neighborhoods and safer neighborhoods. But what are roundabouts? Roundabouts are circle intersections where cars go in a counterclockwise direction around a center circle. And while they may have been used a lot in Europe, they have not been used so much in North America, including Toronto. That is something that needs to change. To begin, roundabouts offer safety for pedestrians as well as accessibility to all. Pedestrian safety is a growing concern in Toronto. According to the Toronto Police Service, over 50% of traffic collisions, fatal or nearly fatal, were pedestrian in 2020. Roundabouts offer safety that traffic lights don't. They offer safety to any pedestrian crossing because of the low speeds. Moreover, crossings on the roundabouts are accessible, and slower speeds are much safer for pedestrians or people with disabilities. Recent studies have even shown that roundabouts have decreased injuries by 75% compared to a stop sign or a traffic light. What's more, roundabouts increase traffic flow and make traffic faster. Even though a roundabout might slow down cars, a study conducted in New Hampshire, New York, and Washington State found that they reduced delays by up to 89%. Roundabouts make travel faster, and by doing so, they reduce idling emissions, which contributes to global warming. Furthermore, it makes travel faster because instead of having to stop at a stop sign or wait for traffic lights, cars can just go if the way is clear. Lastly, roundabouts can offer distinction and can make neighborhoods in Toronto greener. Roundabouts have a circular median in the center, which can allow for landscaping and gardening. This landscaping could provide distinction for communities. Communities can add their personal touches. As well, roundabouts are aesthetically pleasing because of their ability for landscaping. If Toronto had more roundabouts, neighborhoods would have distinction and would be visually pleasing for visitors and community members. That's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching or listening. I do hope you have a great day, and until next time, see you around. I will link all of my sources in the description. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.